Oh, the overseas.
Yeah, Maguzo receiver, there was a lady. I mean, when we came here to enforce bylaws, there was a lady. Where is the lady?
The lady, she went somewhere.
Oh, you've replaced her because you know that we're coming to give goodies. We're very vigilant in this market. We were very vigilant. Ubani putika Mangov. Ubani name. Oh, Sechabula. When we came here, Boguno Musisi, Batu Undogozo Gnan. Sambu Zubupi. Ongenage shift. Oh, okay. No, there's no problem. No, we came here because we said we will come back. Because amongst when we've been doing the blitz, because when we came here we did not know Upper Gwagubek. We're doing our bylaw enforcement, targeting spaza shops to check if everything is honky-dory, that those who are trading they are properly compliant, they've got all the licenses, and I'm sure those are some of the things we committed. MMC we committed that we must support them so that they actually comply. We checked the structure here. We found that the structure, the owner is somewhere in Devon. We want to track how far has he, so that he can actually comply. But importantly, what we noticed, there was not enough stock. The shelves were empty. We then said we're committing we said 2 months.
2 months, yes.
So it's less than 2 months, it's just 3 weeks or so. And we're back. So that's why we then thought when we come and make an intervention, we must also demonstrate to our communities where we found South Africans trying. Government is able to make an intervention. And I think it's important, we must encourage South Africans to wake up and men. In fact, must be a role model. His fighting spirit, his courage, his determination, and everything else must really encourage other South Africans to be resilient. Because look at any business, it's not like we have work saying you must actually operate it with discipline. That is why part of what we're giving here is not just a stock. We're also giving infrastructure. What do you call it, the point of sale equipment, so that you can actually count your stock, you can actually record every transaction, and it assists you to keep your books, and also training to manage your business. So today it's not about speeches, it's about us to see, are these shelves, the stock was are we trading, but most importantly, are we compliant? Oh, okay. We told you support. Yeah. Okay. We told you support. No, it's important that he recovers. The strength. I'm sure now Magabona video good. No, there's intervention, there's support. He gains more strength to come back and actually see to it that this operation is successful. Shunibona the stores in school. Shunibona so that if these ones are competing, because the problem is that here is competition. Yes. The other ones, they are well supported. You can see with Norman, there's a support here. There's a mean. In fact, we must study this means, and we were encouraged because South African government have availed 500 million rands, and we are assisting SMMEs. That's why we want you to comply fully, because for you to access that money, you must be compliant. It means you must have a company that is registered, you must register for tax, all those things. You must have all the other compliance certificates, business licensing, trading permits. Your shop must be properly zoned. In fact, in terms of land use, it must not found to be wanting. So all those things, even if there's conditions that we're putting up to bend there and there to make it easy for our own guys to attain this certificate and be able to compete. All this work we do it because we want to support. So as soon as Koluma
have a hard drive on the side, so this screen it has a back.
Yeah, at the back. Yes. So now it's no longer these big boxes.
Big boxes.
They were smaller and cheap.
Smaller and cheap, a hard drive, and then it's already they can put a stock. The main purpose of this is for them to be able to track their stock, because sometimes it's difficult for them to know exactly what stock do they have, so that they buy well informed. informed, but it comes with a keyboard, which is Bluetooth, and the mouse, the cash drawer, the printer, and also the scan. Which another thing on that, what we are mentioning, Mayor, is for them at least now to be cashless.
Yeah, cashless.
So to link their machine to the which is capable to do that as well. So this will be also an ongoing support in making sure that they get to that, and also they are able to use the machine fruitfully, because as part of the support that we give, we monitor. We want them to tell us on a weekly basis what is the income and what is the cost of expenses, so that they can be able to calculate whether they are making money or not.
Yeah, that's important.
We can intervene immediately with capacity building.
Yeah, go scanner in the stock take.
That this one, each and every time when they buy, because the stock has been already put on the system, what they do, they take, like for example, Coca-Cola, they will just scan, it will deduct from the system once the payment is done, so that they know exactly how much is left. They can also go to, because there's a background here, it's also the touch screen. Then, because only the management can go at the back. So here it will be a dashboard where it shows them which product is the most sold, top product and hourly sales, how much money came in, and top products group. And then also when they come to their stock, they can see the stock that is there. But for reporting as well, because you can download an Excel spreadsheet, they'll choose which stock do they want to see, or they want, let's say there are 5 of them, they take 10s. Each one will have a specific code that they can use, so that we can check, monitor every day. The report is very easy. They download the report, payment, show the report on the screen, and
voila. It's not just about how we assist you to stock up, but it's giving you tools, what we call infrastructure or equipment, to be able to trade. And this thing, it means amaphepha la maningi, cash receipts, ama-journals, what konke lokho kwenziwa yini manje emshinini. Uyakwazi ukubona i-trial balance yakho, ubona i-revenue, ubona i-cost ukuthi iphume kanjani, uproduce i-report yakho.
That's it.
Voila.
Yeah. When we say send us a weekly report, they download and send us. We can see also.
Okay,
so that if they return something, there's evidence, because sometimes you buy something and when they're supposed to return it, me as an owner, it's easy to argue with them, which now I'm violating the customer's rights, because now they have to motivate that I bought this here 15 minutes ago. But if they have a receipt, then it's easy to say this time, and it also has a specific person who's the cashier that sold the items to me.
Also, izinto zethu sesithengisa they are of quality, as expiranga and all that. So there's no need to go to umuntu azoyi-return. You know, because we're selling proper things. And that's what we're fighting against when we're saying we're enforcing, you know, compliance. There's also safety issues. We bring our environmental health guys who actually comes and ensure that everything is compliant. How you package your product, how you label them. Importantly is that the dates, the expiry date and everything else must show, so that abantu, more especially for food, you know, a product. We're happy. Mara niyabona ukuthi lama shelf kumele agcwale. Yabona masihamba singena ngale kulama shop amaBangladesh, amaPakistan, uzuhluleke nokuhamba. Mawuthi uyajumpa isitoko everywhere. Ne? So we've done something, but we're mobilizing more. We're mobilizing more so that isitoko sibonakala. Of course, the shop is equal to kumele kube decent. Ngafana ukuthi kugcwale everywhere. Gcine kube nestock esihlala for longer time. Gcina abantu bathengisela, you know, you must not overstock as well. You must stock it properly so that we are able to, when we replenish, you know, within the expiry date and all that.
And that is why we streamline our operations. How do you stock? How do you package? How do you calculate whether if things are getting closer to the expiring date, if they are not sold? That tells you that this item is not going off the shelf. Then you do it at a discount, not wait until it gets expired. But then we follow up with another training as well, a skills program accredited as well, which is how to manage finances in a new venture, because the issue of money is an issue. We can sponsor them, we can assist them the way we want, but if they are not managing their finances properly, we'll come back after 3 months here, there's nothing on the shelves, they have few items, and that will be said. So it's also them coming on board and take accountability for what they want to see in terms of their growth. We would love to see them opening a branch somewhere.
Nizwele ke wala South Africans vukani nime ngeenyawo ukuzenzele. You must stand up, take ownership of these spaces, ensure that you are compliant, but most importantly get the support, the necessary support, so that you run successful businesses. So let's not sublease, let's not sublet. It is to undocumented foreign national. Let's advertise amongst communities. There's young people, there are people who are interested to actually run some of these spaces, because if you sublease, even if it's your own sponsor shop, your own garage, make sure that everything is compliant. So today you can see there's work in progress. Sabuya, we'll be back. Yeah, we'll be back.
Thokoza Footman yabo. So uma
Thokoza.
Ngishale Thokoza. So sisungcilile ukuthi ngizo-assista ngabo.
Uswazi, lebeka khona that day.
Yes.
What's her name?
Unomhle. Yes.
Oh, okay. But that day feel good. There was a lady that was assisting here.
Yeah,
Untokoza.
Yeah, she's the one really
Oh, okay.
The basis who assist her like.
Yeah, so manje ma assista uyazibona la. Ungathengisa into wrong. Yeah. Let me tell you, cash le yazi cash ukuthi uyibala kangaki. I-cash na unikeza i-change kumele uyibale futhi uphinde uyibale, because ngeke izi ukuthi ungabalance. Ngeke ukuthi awusabalansanga la ube nenkinga. Hayi mina ngeke ngasipane bank ne Standard Bank frontline as a teller. Hey, one day ngangabalance man. Ngangabala ekwanzima. Ngiyabalansa ngemali encane. Just 3,000 after we've processed. Hey, go to Ayendot. Where is the go and check? Check, background check, do all the verifications and all that. So this job is not easy. Don't take it light.
Yeah.
Because when you every cent here you must account for it.
Yes.
Ngathi ufikile la imali yalahleka. Yabo manje la sesibhekile sifaka i-support mechanism siyeza sizochecka periodically ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle.
Nayi ni system izwenza izinto zibe lula kakhulu.
Awuzoheke. Olala. No, yakuthi mayibuye intwana sekasi ukubheka i-recovery ibe ne-strength. Ibuye fast ikwazi ukuthi izorana le operation. But for manje nincengeke. Ne siyabuya.
Thank you so much.
Later, for sure.